Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I love Apple as a brand because I feel Apple is just puts so much care into the products that it fabricates, and each product that has a lot of quality. And every single time I get an Apple product, I just feel secure that it's going to be a good product. This right here is the iPhone XR, and there are so many cool features about this iPhone. So the first one I would like to mention is the color. As you can see, this iPhone is black, which I love because it just looks so glossy and it just has a super nice finish. And I love that you can basically see a reflection off the back of the phone. I feel like that's super cool. Also, the size of this phone is perfect because it can fit your pocket very easily. You can easily put it on your purse. So it's not a huge phone, but at the same time, it's not super small, which is something that I really like. I also like that this phone is not super thick, it's thin. And I one of the things that I love the most about this phone is the camera. I love that it takes really, really nice pictures and videos as well. And that is my point of view.